what it is. Y'all rocking with the Kingpin of Kingpins, BlazeDeImperial, King of the GWC, Ballin' Untouchables, Flies Daniel Boys. And today, we got a very special unboxing. Special because it's my birthday. I'm getting ready to take some birthday pictures. But what I have is some very special DIOR shoes that I'm about to unbox for y'all. The B23s, the red ones that I ordered from StockX, right? And as far as the officiating, you know I begin with the officiating. So I want to say, like I just said, I got these from StockX. Now, you know, way in the background, I know there's some muffles sometimes about StockX saying this, saying that, but for me buying these shoes, whatever you want to call it, if you one of them naysayers, you know, in my Birdman voice, Woody, you know what I'm saying? Me just getting them, even from StockX, I think is a flex, you know what I'm saying? Put some respect on my name. These shoes, the B23, the reason I got them from StockX is because you can't get them from DIOR no more. The red ones, the high red ones, you can't get them joints from DIOR no more. They out of season, out of stock, whatever, what have you. You can get the other colors, but you can't get the red ones, the ones that I wanted. So I went different outlets, different resale markets, and these ones, like I said, in my Birdman voice, the shoes by themselves, retail, you gonna pay $1,100. I paid $200 over $1,100. I paid $1,300, Woody. So me just paying $1,300 to me is his own flex. Because if someone out there trying to get replicas and all that other stuff, or trying to buy the fake ones, I think them like $200. So the fact that I paid $1,300 over retail, you know what my intentions is. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying with me. So put some respect on my name, you know what I'm saying? And I think, you know, from what I've seen as far as they authentication process, I think StockX do a damn good job. But I just want to throw that in there before we cut them open, you know what I'm saying? Stunner Man Blaze, either way, paid $13 for his. So if he was trying to do some fugazi and this and that, he could have just went and got the $200. So you know what it is. But anyways, enough of that. Let's unbox these shoes. Now what we got, they came by way of FedEx, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a regular box, you know, kind of all beat up, but that's what you expect when something is coming to your ground. Now, I initially did a buy it now for these shoes August 13th. My birthday is August 29th. So in my head I was thinking, ain't nowhere in the world these shoes can't make it to me by my birthday, right? But I had one of the most trying times, like, man, I don't think the motion started as far as the dude sending them to like the 17th. And then it went through all this rigmarole of days, and I'm like, damn, boy, this thing might not make it to me for my birthday. So that really was pissing me off. And then when they finally got, you know, heading my direction, I think the estimated time was it was gonna get here August 30th. But my birthday the 29th. So I wouldn't have had them in time to do nothing. So that had me kind of upset. But as I'm watching, you know, it moving real time and through the transits, through different states, I'm like, man, what in the world? This shoe ain't gonna get here in time. Called FedEx. I'm like, hey man, I need these shoes, man. Y'all, whatever y'all gotta do to get here early, whatever, however, I don't care. But the good thing is they ended up coming early. They ended up coming the 28th on Sunday. But due to, you know, things going on with my daughters and me having them, I didn't get to a point to where I could sit down with y'all and do this unboxing till 9. You know, it's early, August the 29th, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you know. But I gotta get in there and do what I want to do as far as taking pictures and stuff for my birthday. So here we is. But without further ado, man, let's get this thing going. Yes, this knife is sharp. I just don't want to cut myself, so I'm kind of taking my time and being extra cautious. I ain't got no time to be cut around here, bleeding and messed up. Get that out of the way. That's that. Then, you know what I'm saying, we got the StockX. You know, we got the label with it. Always verified, authentic since 2016. DIOR B23 high red. Size 46, European sizing. Now in Jordans and American sizes, of course y'all know I'm a 12. But, you know, I think this will suit my purposes as far as the 46. I'll pull it off, do what I need to do with it. And there you see the sticker price, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I paid $1,337.56. So $1,337.56 was the total price for these shoes that I paid. So put some respect on my name. I don't give a damn what you think about StockX. Whether you are an advocate of them or you don't, you know, you feel a certain type of way. Put some respect on the Kingpin name, nigga. Put some respect on my name, huh? I paid 13 something. So let's pull them out. You know what I mean? Gonna put that box over there. Got a blue DIOR box. Nothing extra special, but I mean, I guess, you know, it's alright, it's okay. Nothing bad about it. Got like a leathery type feel. It's imprinted. Leathery type imprint as well. You know, DIOR and silver. Got the picture of the shoes on the outside of them. You know what I mean? B23. Nothing too R. Nothing too of R and jaw dropping there. Let's see what we got here. This is shoes, yeah, this is shoes. Inside, you got the DIOR bag, blue, kind of silverish, writing, same as on the box. DIOR. These are the stars of the show. They look alright, they straight, you know what I mean? They suit the purpose that I want them for. The main reasons that these was appealing to me is the soles. Them kind of Chuck Taylor favorite looking soles. That hot flaming red, the shoestrings or laces as some of y'all call them, hot flaming red. That white DIOR sitting there setting it off, you know what I'm saying, standing out on that red sole, trimming in red. Those are like the highlights to me that really made me want this shoe. You know, I could just picture, you know, me in some long shorts and these jokers just sitting on my feet, standing out like bam. But yeah, man, straight. Then you got the little StockX button, you know what I mean? Verify, authentic, please inspect item, all claims, null and void if tag is removed. So I guess you're not supposed to remove the tag if you ain't pleased with what you got. But yeah, I'm pleased. You know, it's exactly what I wanted, exactly what I was trying to pay for. You know what I mean? See the bottom sole, you know, red. But yeah, this was the main part of the shoe that made me want it. The sole, you know, it got that Converse look. You know what I'm saying? That gangster look. But at the same time, it's designer. You dig? So it's like the best of both worlds. A gangster look, but designer. And that red sole, which is everything to me. And then it's set off with the red laces. Then that little Dior sign just, you know, if someone was looking at them, they was like, damn, man, them shoes hard. But they ain't really know what they is. It's right there for you, you know what I'm saying? Dior, right in their face. You know what I mean? Like a mini billboard. You walking with them, people see them on your feet just because the color, they gonna be like, damn, man, look at them shoes. They gonna catch attention just because they red. That red sole, then like I said, it's set off by them red laces. Then they like, damn, what's that? They gonna come in to try to see, you know, what's really going on with them. And right there, bam, don't get it mistaken. Dior, can't beat that. When you spending this type of money on the shoe, you want the message you trying to convey to come across loud and clear. And I think these do that. So let's straighten up some of this up real quick. Okay, you got this with this inside. Well, let's straighten some of this up. Then I'll pull everything else that's in the box. All right, the other things that was in the box was this. And this bag with this little V guy. Card that say Christian Dior. We certify that this article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards and in conformity with the image of our brand name. All right, that's that. Then we got some white laces in case you want to go white. I don't. You know what I mean? One of the reasons I wanted the shoe was because of the red laces. You know what I mean? Just get view. Once again, let you see them. Different angles. Oh man, I think we got another tag here. Dior. And other than this immaculate red sole and them standoutish laces, you got the Dior monogram in red and white, and in some places it's behind like this transparent plastic with got like a white tint. And these shoes just bad, man. These shoes just scream attention. They scream, yeah, look at me. Yeah, I'm the ish. This me. You know what I mean? Inside we got a bunch of plastic, stuff like that, paper to keep them in shape. I'm not gonna pull all that out right now. I do that when I put them on, cause I'm gonna have to unlace them, and I don't feel like doing all that. But yeah, man, this is raw, man. They're raw. But I mean, all in all, for me, it's a go. I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm just gonna get ready to strap them up, take my birthday pics, and just enjoy my shoes. You know, you could consider this as part of my birthday present. You know what I mean? I'm pleased with what I got, and like I said, for any critic or naysayer, like, the kid know what he paid, so I ain't worried about it. That in itself to me is his own flex. And I'm just gonna bust him down, man. Like I said, I can already tell, you know, as I'm walking down, they got that old school Converse look, but they red, so they grab attention. Everywhere I step and place my foot, a chick or somebody gonna be like, dang, what are those? And inquisitively, they gonna look, and they gonna be rewarded with the logo and the monogram and that little symbol right there. Boom! Oh man, those are DIORs. It is what it is, man. That's how we getting down. That's how we doing that thing, man. You feel me? So, I mean, this has been a great unboxing for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Check back with you. Till the next time. Peace. If you haven't, make sure you go check out my 42nd birthday cake video, Overcoming 2022.